Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. Today the video is going to be dedicated on the new Lexus RX350H. So basically this is going to be how to remove the system maintenance reminder that keeps popping onto your screen. So let me show that. That's the car. Let me show you. So let's move into the car. So once you move into the car, let me pop and start that. Basically start the car. It's taking time to boot. So if you see, this is the maintenance required soon pop-up that keeps coming up. I'm gonna show you how to remove this. So let's go onto your main screen. You would see the settings icon over here. Just click onto it. So head into the settings, go down, scroll down, click on the vehicle customize. This is the option that you're gonna see. Click onto it. Again, scroll down a little bit and you would see the utility option at the bottom. Click onto it and here you see system maintenance, oil maintenance option. So I would go and click on schedule maintenance. I would reset this option. Boom, the data has been reset. So this is where like you do it for the scheduled maintenance. Again, if it is for the oil maintenance, you click onto like, hey, I would like to reset my oil maintenance data. Click onto it. Boom. And now let's try what happens next. And boom, this is how you get the option reset complete out over here. Of course, hold on to it and it goes away. Let's try this by switching off the vehicle. Okay, so this would basically give me an idea. So I've restarted the vehicle again. I would see if that maintenance message comes again, and boom, it's gone. So this is how basically you guys would reset the scheduled maintenance or oil reminder that might come up. So guys, if you like the video, give it a like to my video, of course, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep posting more informative video regarding the RX350H. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.